Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and opening settings right away. This gets you to controls fast. Once there, tap Focus or Do Not Disturb to view active rules. Make sure airplane mode is off and Do Not Disturb shows as enabled before continuing. If you open Control Center instead, press and hold the focus icon to jump into the same controls. This step ensures you're editing the live setting and not a cached view, so changes apply immediately. Now modify the schedule and exceptions. Tap Scheduled or Sleep Focus and turn off any active time ranges, so Do Not Disturb won't re-engage automatically. Next, add important contacts to allowed calls or favorites to let calls through. This prevents missed urgent calls. Also enable repeated calls if you want a second call within a few minutes to bypass DND, and review app notification overrides to permit critical alerts. These changes control who and what can interrupt you during the transition. Finally, switch Do Not Disturb off in settings or tap the focus icon in Control Center to disable it immediately. You should see notification badges return. If DND stays active, restart the phone to clear session-level state and check system time settings in case a misconfigured schedule keeps enabling it. As a last resort, reset focus or Do Not Disturb settings to defaults and reconfigure allowed contacts. This troubleshooting tip resolves most stubborn cases without needing technical support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.